What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at what is the meaning, the definition of this French wine term and how to pronounce it as well. So first off, this term is the term Avinage. You may have heard some wine people, especially in France, using it. Avinage. This is how to say it in French. Avinage. Then what does it mean? Avinage is the action of pouring a little bit of wine into your wine glass and then swirling the wine into your glass to really coat the whole surface of the glass, and then throw this little wine sample away. Then you pour yourself the same wine, a proper serving size, and then you can properly taste the wine without any interference artifact from whatever was inside your glass before. You can do this for the first time you are using a wine glass, if it was stuck in a cardboard box, if it's got a bit of a dusty smell, or if your glass went through a washing machine and it's got a bit of soap. You pour yourself a little bit of wine and throw it away, and then pour yourself the wine tasting sample. You can also do this in between two different wines, especially if they are of very different styles. If you're changing color, if you're going from white to red or from red to white. Also, if you're changing sweetness level, if you're having a very sweet wine and there's a tiny bit of wine that is left over at the bottom of your glass, this may affect the next wine that you taste. So you can always pour yourself a little bit of that wine and proceed with an avinage. Avinage, there is also a verb in French, which is the verb aviner. Aviner un verre de vin, or aviner a glass of wine. But the action of doing this is the term Avinage. I was asked on Facebook to explain this wine term, hence me doing this video. If you're wondering about any wine term that I may know the definition of, happy to answer that in a quick, easy, simple video just like this one. I hope it was useful. Feel free to like this video. Feel free to hang around the YouTube channel if you like learning more about wine, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao.